All right, question number 2. We want to sketch the graph of the following function. Describe how the graph can be obtained from the graph of the basic exponential function, 2 to the x power. So it looks like we just want to graph the transformation. So I'm going to write down this function. Now I'm going to write it down a little bit different. They have the 2 in front of the x, and we'd like to have the variable out front, so I'm just going to rearrange these letters, keeping the orientation of the sign. So I'm going to write 2, and it's 2 minus x, so the x has a negative in front of it, so I'm going to say negative x plus 2, and then our plus 1. Okay, so when graphing this and dealing with the transformation, you have to make sure you do the order of operations correctly. So you do parentheses, which we have none, then exponents. So this shift, we'll do that first, then multiplication or division. So then up here in the exponent, we'll do this times this negative. And then if we had a multiply up front, we would do that or that reflection. And then last, we'll do this shift. So we have to do this 2, then reflect it or stretch it or compress it up here, because this is kind of like doing the exponents first, and then we'll do the multiplication up there, and then so just remember order of operations when you're doing this, otherwise you can do the correct thing and it will come out wrong, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to go to graph. We're going to do exponential and click on the graph. So right now we still have our base of 2. Now let's just say, for example, if I was doing exponents first, let's say that I chose this negative x. So if I wanted to reflect it across the y-axis, if I did that first. Now what I should do first is the plus 2, but I'm just showing you I can do the correct things in the wrong order and it will count it wrong. Then we're going to shift this left 2. So we're going to go horizontal shift left 2, and then we're going to do a vertical shift up 1. So vertical shift up once. Okay, I'm going to save this, and this is the graph we get. And when I go to check, it tells me it's incorrect because I did this out of order. So now if I go back to this graph and I clear it, and I'm going to start over. So I'm still going to do my exponential graph. Click here. Base is 2. I'm not going to do the reflection first. The first thing I should do is shift. So again, I'm going to shift it left 2. Then we're going to do the reflection for that negative x. And then we're going to do a vertical shift up once. So all I did was change the order. First I did the reflection first, which is incorrect. We need to do the 2 exponent and then that. When I save it, we get a slightly different graph, and this time when I check, it's good. So just be careful that the order in which you tackle these transformations, it will affect your overall graph. And this one now we want to describe the transformation. So we shift left 2, reflect across y, and then go up, shift up. So we're going to go left 2 units, reflect across the y. This one says shift down. Left 2 units, reflect across the y, shift up. So B looks to be the correct description.